Thank you so much, Graham. Well, you know what? Winter certainly brings all of those nasty coughs and congested chest. But did you know that you can actually treat yourself naturally with Thursday Plantation Tea Tree Oil? Now, what you can do is you can try adding a couple of drops of oil to a glass of water and gargle for a couple of seconds, and then you just spit it out. And this will then help to heal the throat and stop the infection from spreading. And then you can also add a couple of drops to steaming hot water and inhale nice and deeply. The fresh scent is pleased with marvelous head clearing effects, and this will help open the airways, loosen up mucus and assist in relieving a sore throat.
With natural antiseptic, antifungal and antibacterial properties, it's no wonder it's nature's first aid kit in a bottle. Thursday Plantation, treat yourself naturally.